Namaste. In today's video of Bhagwad Geeta, let us take up the same stanza of yesterday that we had discussed. That is the 10th stanza of chapter 1. Aparyaptam tadasma balam bhishma bhirakshitam paryaptam tvidame tesham balam bhima bhirakshitam. Yesterday I had given you the interpretation that was meant by Duryodhana. And that was where the words paryapta and aparyapta were translated as unlimited and limited. Aparyaptam is unlimited, paryaptam is limited. But if you see in the present context, if we try to interpret or translate the words paryapta, we generally say paryapta is just sufficient, enough. And aparyapta is not sufficient, not enough. So the meanings become absolutely reversed. Because initially, yesterday, as I was telling you about the interpretations given by the ego and pride of Duryodhana, he was saying, our power is unlimited, aparyapta. But no, the real meaning was aparyaptam, insufficient. Paryaptam is just enough to win over. And that was the actual result of Mahabharata. Because in spite of having a mammoth army, the Kauravas could not conquer the Pandavas. Because the army of Pandavas was paryapta, just sufficient. It was not too much, but it was enough to take care of the mammoth army of Kauravas. So, when we are using the words while describing anything, this particular sloka tells us indirectly that we have to check for all the angles of the word that we use. Duryodhana had used the words aparyaptam tvidame tesham. Aparyaptam tadasmakam balam bhishma bhirakshitam. Paryaptam tvidame tesham balam bhima bhirakshitam. And unknowingly, he had overlooked the actual opposite context in which the words can be. So, he used it as unlimited and limited. But the prefix a is used many times in order to indicate absence. And absence of limit is unlimited, true. But absence of sufficient quantity is not unlimited. It is insufficient. So, this stanza actually indicates all of us to think twice before using the words while describing it. Who knows? While describing something in a super positive manner, in the fit of enthusiasm, we may end up in making some super negative statements. And then what will happen? We would be unknowingly giving power to that super negative statement, creating a negative result for ourselves, as Duryodhan did. We can say that indirectly, unknowingly, the words of this stanza were predicting the result, or were instrumental in bringing the result of the Mahabharata. Just think over it. And we'll discuss the next part tomorrow. Bye.